Minister Musasizi. Thank you very much, Aryaha, the State Minister of Finance, Omojo, and thank you for whatever you are doing with the church. Thank you very much. Twin Professor Honorable Kabugejere, former Minister, welcome. Nindebaho Honorable Caroline Ubwezi, woman representative wa Rukiga. Ndebaho Honorable Nwagaba Wilfred, Member of Parliament wa North West, North East. Honorable Catherine Damira wa Bodinji, Honorable Member of Parliament wa Kabale District. Honorable Athanasius Rutaro, former Minister and MP wa Rufumbura Webale. Honorable Prose Akam Hulira, Commissioner, and Honorable Woman Member of Parliament wa Rwanda. Honorable Betty Muzandla, former Woman Member of Parliament wa Rukunjiri. Honorable Echatuhire Jacqueline Ogwe, the Deputy National Treasurer wa NRM Netcoge, by the way. Twajiraho Dr. Rafael Areneitwe, Ogwe former UNDP wa Malawi, na representative Aryaha. District, Honorable Baba Tata Igra, Alhona Speaker, the Speaker wa Kabale District, Omuchara Kanagizi, Azan Chenamu Emirena Navarro. Arho Honorable Kamuntu Hanuya, Honorable Kamuntu. I'm sorry I have not seen you. Honorable Kamuntu, thank you for coming for honoring this function. By councillors, by Kabale District Local Government, Professor Mlanga, na namulebere alikuli omuzigaba wa Dr. NGATEGIZE. They are here. Arho BAF Central Organizing Committee, Bishops Annual Appeal Fund, Central Recognition. Ewe munonga. Baso na banyamu. Muri bingi munonga, una kwanda recognizing, maybe I'll be recognizing you as time goes on. I'm made to understand that there is also a General Mutebile here. Thank you very much. Nani Shaba Wakataji aije hanuya atwakire umukataji ke Bishop Poko achabire nikwe turi gukora aho kwa turikuba turi Wakataji ni wari kubanza atwakira kandi wowe wewe na kwa temizi ndarebera kuko aba Radio Maria nawe biri okay.
Omugenzi tatunyeshonga nawe atarapasikana nawe bitine bingi byo kumugambo utafekwa omuntu mulungi munonga byo akugira ko twashasha twamushikisana n'isi
ejo wewe munonga twaza kurira welcome remarks Ezabechika Hirare hamwe na Dr. Agaba. One of you can come and give that.
sometimes it is very hard to speak. Konkaja okushendekeza Aunt Penny. Muraza kunsasira ngambe nti abanyadini mwibare kwija okutushabira. We are not taking it for granted. One of my uncles, akafa, konka atakafire, akanjira tino kwa, aza mshome strategie ko mshabiri, kai. So, we are not taking it for granted at all. When this being a Monday, we know what it means. Umubitingisanya protocols out. Amazina ganje baranyetere kabisi ngira. Uyo mushobozi. No umujukuru wachikafuni. Kandi gakuriro wa chikafunda hano. Aunt Penina Alisha Kanshanganga Kijuko. So during the orientation, Mukaka Aramu Bully Rankom, and you know Mukaka will use stories. So all those stories, the orientation means Manya Kongo Gile Tiburuho, Jiramuzu Zemuburi, Kongechkuru. Nandi kugira ngo mwebare abakampara mwebare ibyumukozire byona ubuyambo bumutuhire abakabare byone bimukozire turabisima kwabagira ngo mwebare muno kwabagira ngo tunasima okutaleka okwemalira mazima twine bingi ebimurabe bitatu bitashoborekire mumanye ngo cyaretwa okugira ngo buri womwe buri murimo twagorekire buri womwe muraza kutusasira otherwise mwe bari munonga kwije.
Mwebale tuzakurira okugamba kwa munywani w'umugezi Penina as our family batekatekire Grace Mutebire Mrs. can do that. So ahora wori you come and represent all of us because we were all friends of Penina. Grace Mutebire, you can come and represent all of us. Thank you.
Fellow mourners, all of you people of God gathered here this morning, the church, ladies and gentlemen. I have come here to talk on behalf of the NGATEGIZE and family for choosing me. I left Kampala this morning at 4. And I was coming to represent the international community of NYABUSHABI. So I am standing here in 3 capacities because the international community of NYABUSHABI is 6 districts Those are people from Kawale, Chisoro, recently Rwanda, BAKIGA, and Kanungu. So I had two speeches. One is who are in all other countries of the world. Basically, I got messaging by their chairman, Emma Tatwangire. We have those who are in USA in 3 capacities as, of course, the Uganda chairperson, the Apex board friends of Madame PENINNAH, who is now in heaven. So, because there are 3 and we are minding time, I'm going to summarize, no worries. I start with Delira, Patience, and Brian. I also want to extend condolence again to you, and we feel with you and we extend our hard thoughts to you during this time, which is not very easy. So, I will summarize. Physically, looks, but then she was very beautiful even inside and out. She gave us love to whoever she reached. Madame PENINNAH was so passionate about the young girl child and maternal health. Madame PENINNAH touched and mentored many children, including myself, because she was a very professional lady. Very professional. If you worked with PENINNAH, you would learn something from her and say, Hazaka. Madame PENINNAH was calm. Those who interacted with her, I know you agree with me. She was a lady of integrity, because I had time to work with her in the Uganda Revenue Authority, where she was one of the leaders. We used it fierce ICOP members. Madame PENINNAH was in the flagship of all the technical institutions. Chisoro Seseme, there's one, there's Kanungu, and many others, because now I can't read my speech. She was so passionate about our children having skills, professional skills, carpentry, and all that can enable them to work and have a future. PENINNAH loved peace. She was a calm person. She used to say, Kaza wagamba biche nobuzi bwa biche. That is what I learned from her. She was a diplomat who wanted peace. She was someone who was an advocate of friendship, cross-generational friendship. People, when we are here, I am wondering if it rained today, whether it would land on this side or the other side or the other side. It would land on all of us. People, we have to remain friends amidst the challenges that we are facing. Now, as friends of PENINNAH, Madame PENINNAH loved people. When they announced her death, Dr. NGATEGIZE's home was full that afternoon. We went there, we danced, we sang. It was full, and they were all friends. Yesterday when we were in church, people were testifying. All the ladies that she touched were there, and the story of PENINNAH is a story that we should all carry on. She was so passionate about fighting poverty. She was so passionate about children and women, health and development. PENINNAH was a loving mother. She was so close. She loved those children. One time, One time we went together and we were seated at Dr. Gamsha's home. And his wife told Peninnah, you're in pain. Why don't we, now that we're in Washington, why don't we see the doctors around? And she said, you know, I fear for these legs. And she mentioned that some surgeries go wrong. And she was so worried. Even when we were coming back, she kept mentioning that surgery was, she's like, this surgery kills people. And I'm so hurt because she emphasized, and Innocent, the wife of Bishop, told her, you see, we have the best doctors here. And Peninnah said, you know, it can kill me. So, as years passed, she even went to South Africa, and the doctors diagnosed she had to do that surgery. She came and told us, she said, you know this thing, the doctors are saying, I have to have the surgery. But she's like, Tina. So, this time the pain was intensifying. And she said, I have to go for it. You know the story, it has taken her. Peninnah was a fighter. She moved for some years. The legs were disturbing her. But we used to interact with them, even at their family in Okoto. One time we reached there and she had left some chicken and karo, and we bumped. We came in and we shared that food with Dr. NGATEGIZE. I don't think she got satisfied, but anyhow, that is what friendship means. So it has been a tough time to lose Peninnah, and I know all of us testify to that. But God, in His ways, He has decided. Peninnah is, I forgot to mention that she was a very bright person. She was our mentor so much. It was her flagship. She represented Kawale. She was a person that we're going to meet so much. The international community, that is all the members, Uganda chapter and diaspora, a total of 4,008,650 Uganda shillings. With those few words, NGATEGIZE received.
Friend, Executive Secretary, Uganda National, thank you for honoring TJ. The one who protested for Norway East, she's here. Thank you very much for coming. And was a flag bearer. I now request my
Your Grace na Bishop wetu akakago kukateire arwa kabi last week. A lot has been happening, Your Grace. Umubinte biturakora Kampala mu Kobolo. Kanisa urukiko rwo kushitama leta buri bwinji no bagambira cyatubireho umuntu tutwaraga urwa kabiri, and I went nicho mutakabure somehow I have been leading team inde shaka ngo yemere from Kampala. These are amazing around you. We are going to stand with you, and I want to assure you that according to my personal assessment, we have tried to. Kuba ayitwara bire kwikanu
I waited together with my colleagues for Peter to come home. I even know about 75% is because of that guy. I watched the children come, but in a record 2 days they were home. So ni cheche cha mesa fulio mundi warabatekire birungi kampara ukana nyabushabi ni nyabushabi. So twiro butuba bwinji nico mwarebera nebi muri byatulema kushoma ku gikutaho because we had close to 100 lists. Ubutuma bwe burakira. So twahandika listi ero Centenary Bank bakatwa ubutumwa buhango munonga kandi buri muki buri munanke sente ubu nandashobaye ikira hero wagira wagira tibisu kwiro wari mukwandika rato turinge sente ntatabo wariyo yora urama yora yateka tushobera. So abantu kunkari wayora hanuya esente twazikoze nsize n'ibintu mutakura terapita because I was supposed to yonda ruganya rushanje. So abayora musasire technology isayinijwe on a private sector unit ejobara isayin Women Investment Club wiki signed by Christine Matovo. Mpozi ngeo kache nyanjuro muntu utayanjwire Major General Henry Masco yemerera kandi ni MP wa mahe ubwo ile buzare nyarushanje so nico na mwanjurira. Now tingine parwa ezina shomea aje butumwa, but there is one letter peningo umurareba abereine ekibina Africa ne ekirebembe rwa urasa masheri muromanyi urasa masheri no mucyara wa Nelson Mandela. Now PENINNAH yari vice president ejibaro irimo gutumwa bulungi munonga akanyirire kama karagira ngo she was one of the 5 founding members of One Uganda in 2004 and served on the board of One Uganda for a whopping 14 years. Aku urasa masheri muka Nelson Mandela yagambire mu bigambo. So naza kubishoma ko kuyabigambire nebigambo bice munonga aza mu Uganda. I'm not talking about East Africa, I'm talking about the African outfit. I am deeply saddened to learn of the untimely passing of Penny, an extremely valued and respected member of our networks collective. Nature is unexpected. Penny was her ill health, and I am so devastated. Urasa masheri niko yagambira kufa kuba kwa Penny. Now listen to this. Penny no kwakahandika concept yo kuyam came on you. What coincidence in which direction when it is materializing is when the commentary is out. There is this one, I think you take it on.
Yeah, thank you for reading those messages. Honorable Johnson Nkuhe, former MP, Ariaha, Mr. BAKIGA, Professor Richard Achisimile, Director of MOBS Marara Campus, is here. Mr. Alfred Kamuchu, Geza High School Fraternity, introduced about Wabine contributions, Ninga messages, Hari Arugo, Omusigazi Noshoyi Mukokate is coming. Basco Isaac, put up your hand. Those with contributions can reach him there. Kandi Abakwabine Zamisa, hariho reka kwesiga kandi ugumizemu uya abaha. Thank you.
Thank you very much, MC. The church. Thank you, my bishops. Thank you, Bishop Kaisti. Thank you, Father Safari, for being friends to my family. Anything about Penina this morning, but I'll give it a shot. Penina was my sister. A lot of nostalgia this afternoon as he announces I will be in Penina. 1964, at the house, and we right on the and thank you for me. There are newer, younger friends. You know yourselves. But they have behaved like includes she's in Rhode Island, quite busy with academic work. My son Derek is in Cleveland, Ohio, not here with us. Roy Utsura is here with me. She made it all the way from Baltimore. Stuart couldn't make it this place, but they'll be together again in August, and without they'll be coming celebrate their make their vows together, our late mother, and I know some friends like Father Safari are already involved. It was all associated with when you look at parents, and that picture also reminds me a lot about the lives we've led. You can see a woman, my father and mother, Cleveland, Ohio. I had invited the couple at the behest of my late wife, and from Kampala, and got some chaperones to guide them through the journey. The rest of who was our older sister, they can stand or retain, or wherever they are, who are going to be introduced. The family of Fraser, two daughters, T-shirts. Mukache, I want to declare, she had, and so some of you better look out. A message telling me to please make sure, mind me, my relationship with her was started as my in and caregiver for my married Peter, took with my wife was the matron, and my indeed the family affair had to play the role of a mother. And another passed, and basically arranging who, you know what role you play, because you are the chief mourner that funeral in 2000. I accepted an invitation by the Excellency President to return from my long sojourn in the diaspora. And I had been away. I had lived out of this Kenya. And so when I was able to navigate through Uganda's intricate socio-political system, And particularly, I was able to navigate the curious and sometimes unethical business deals. And at the same time, somebody will make a budget for a wedding of 30 million, and he doesn't have a single penny, but he has a budget anyway. So she made me understand and really go through this. While on that, I want to thank a childhood friend, BAKIGA, who put me up for over a month in his house in Medina. Congress and I will go back to their school days, and we had the distinction of doing whatever together in the third year and passing very well and skipping senior 4. Where is he in England? Is he around there? In England is a neighbor here, but he was also part of that experience. My coming back was truly a difficult start, but PENINNAH contributed immensely to my decision to stay. So to my current sister, I say, bravo. I adorn these medals on my chest in your honor, because without your encouragement and that of the Excellency President, I was ready to fold and finish 10th and go back to the place I lived for 26 years, my adopted land. But PENINNAH really encouraged me to hang on, and since then, I have no regrets that I indeed accepted to stay. Speaking of His Excellency, allow me to deliver a message from a relatively new outfit called the Presidential CEO Forum, where I am proud to be a member of one of the 14 hand-picked CEOs that are part of that forum that advise the President and the country on a number of things, including the implementation of private sector engagement in the business, in policy making, and so on. And so they have sent a message which I will forward on to you, Peter, but that's how involved I have become in the development process in this country. I already heard NYC talk about the Ministry of Science, Technology and Initiative and innovations from a message signed by Honorable General America. I thank the ministry for the show of support they have given to me, and those who are here with us from the ministry, I say thank you and welcome home. My other family, Uganda Industrial Research Institute, you've been very supportive. Wherever you are, you can stand up for the mission. I don't know which side you are. Are you in the family's name?
Oh, there.
Or you're in the VIP tent, I see. Hey! Yeah, thank you for for really caring for the family, and all the contributions you made are well noted. But don't cite that when we are doing your performance review, because that's a different matter altogether. I am really touched by the show of support. Thank you, Peter, for such a dignified send-off for my sister, my friend. This lady really got us together, and I can't say enough. Maria is beginning to break down. So I came there, and again, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Professor BAKIGA. I remember the late PENINNAH organizing the Clans Carnival in 2011, I think. Inganda zona ezo muri Kigezi zikazo mu Kyakabale PENINNAH organizinga ejo function buri ruganda rwona rukarwireza atensinki ibiri abagiro n'injuka mu Cyakijuka. It was a great day for that, and the main organizer was PENINNAH. I remember he was also assisting her. Let's get more messages to read. Mr. Hello? Maybe you can read those messages that you have there. Yeah, because, and I request you to read the messages, just only read the messages, because we are time bad. Video, you can come and read the messages. Meanwhile, they are coming. The following people will get prepared by in-laws, abaramu, hamwe n'abaramukazi ba PENINNAH. We're preparing it. It led by Jacinta. I don't know whether Makirin ikuya kubaryana ni nagogo Makirin nahari abali tumuterera mu ngaro z'amari munonga because amobilizingire Kabale ebyo ne bijyampande Makirin ahora aboli kora abodi mango kuseno kora but twakusima tuterera mu ngaro z'amari munonga iwe na committee yawe. Thank you very much Makirin.
Ezongaro ni nje bagenze zongaro ni nje. Now we want to mayor.
The mayor, but she is a daughter here.
Okay.
Just read the messages in the interest of time. Thank you.
Message from Uganda Timber Growers Association Circle, signed by Dr. Henry Romani. Kampala Club, Honorable Secretary Elliot Ainomucha, appended. West family, another big message. KCRA, Kampala Kigezi Catholic Residents Association, Narcis Rwangoga is our leader, Kasese Catholic Community, John Makongo, Kigs Uganda Limited, that is where NGATEGIZE is rooted, I told you, Johnson Mutesegensi family, EDP and RD, Ministry of Finance, Joseph Enyimu, Kanungu Girls Network, Sylvia Arineitwe, Uganda National Catholic Council, Vlea Apostolate, Uganda Economics Association, Gervas Lianabo, Professor Mashasha, I beg your pardon, Kigezi High School, Old Boys, Alfred Kabuchu, Uganda Matters Girl Development Foundation, Father Dennis Sembuya, Dynamic Therapy Center, Mashor Majiriji, Nakasero 3 Women Grain Millers. This is Madame Chinegere, Ntare School Headmaster, Mr. Triagenda, KKCRA Sako, Frank Nuru Tiramas present. And that's all I had.
Yeah, let Alex also read what he has.
Thank you, MC. More messages cover university and has been signed by Professor BAKIGA. NYABUSHABI Investment Limited, signed by Lyomjeni Felix. Kachweka Nozono Agricultural Research and Development Institute, message signed by Dr. Alex Maleche. Fair Africa Consult, message signed by Veni Brejia. Then we have a message from White Horse Inn, a message from International Community of NYABUSHABI, the Youth Chapter, Abaria Kamwe Group Muyewe, and then Muyewe Katiba Family Friends. Is it the messages on to us handika? We shall deliver them to the family. Thank you, MC.
Yeah, thank you. Messages ni nyingi kandi musasire twazishoma izihambikirwe Dr. Ngategize nije kugira tumubwire nazishoma naho mureke nshabe banyanya bangategize na bene nyina bijanuya rero umuhe urubazo rwanyu muri kusibura muramu wanyu na muramukazi wanyu led by the center kandi kamaze kugira zose ubugozo bwire bwatwata kuba space wabona baraba abo ni banyanya ba Mr. Ngategize hamwe na mwene nyina benda kusibura umuramu hamwe n'umuramukazi reba
ayobora seru NYABUSHABI 2014 2022 utonza kwagara mu kazi wo mugenzi hamwe na muramu we ukumbatire itobara mu kazi wo mugenzi iri mu gushasha abakofe gogura mu kazi weitu PENINNAH ubira ari mu mwanya witu kandi ubira uri mu mwanya wabira ari mu mwanya wa mawe akeija yakundana na mawe kandi yahitana kumurebera okukisobo yakwereka ruhange cyakozire muramukazi w'itogu afire 5 kwavana 12 kandi na mawe akafiro 5 kwakana 12 kandi tunaona na mtabani wa shwentu umudenzi Edward Kitikwa na wakafiro 5 okwakana 12 ukumi kwenda tena nini mketo chino kuchira akshabe mukama abagenza bahumuze pita n'abana uhangabeire ababyeire PENINNAH ubwiro bw'umumazire nawe ibintu bwawireyo mumwe kwase ahi PENINNAH rukire nitwe Yesu munejekerere John izina rya mukama risini wamushendekereza na misa 10 amunge n'ubuzima.
Yeah, thank you very much. Batunda message iri kuruga Kawale Diocese BAF Organizing Committee twagaruka twatungana message iri kuruga mu Kawale Diocese with a check Dr. Ngategize. You will get the information about that. Nani shaba abana ba Mr. and Mrs. Ngategize to give.
Nituza kubuwana nitubijuka obuhaguzi bwe kujira ungane itwe tube abantu omugusho. Allow me some English. Thank you all for being here. Thank you to the church. I just wanted to say, as a child, your mother is your first thought. It is through her that you understand that you're given life, nourishment, and protection. And so there is a moment as a baby that you think she is invincible. As you get older, you understand your mother as a person, and She becomes a teacher to guide you through life. As has been repeated in many stories here today, and again in Kampala, Mama PENINNAH was a sensible woman. She knew to teach her children 3 things. She always put God first. Through Him we can do all. She must love and protect her family. And you must always strive to find ways to uplift and help your community. These 3 things were dear and true to her and kept her heart pure. While as children, you know your parents made the part before you. When it happens like this, there is no way to prepare. But you must know that the way she lived and in her heart, she was prepared that no matter the day or the hour, God would call upon her. She would be ready, as she lived those 3 things every day. So to Daddy, to Brian, now communication. I hope that you continue to feel her around you more so in all you do. And I hope that you know now, for each prayer you send to God, you invite them, you can share some. Mukama abrinde, Mukama amuhe echimoro kirunji.
Mwebale abana.
Yes, thank you everyone for being here. Abarikija, Nitwe, Munsi yetu, Nunji, ya NYABUSHABI, Kabale District. Mukoro ko kushindikirika mama wetu PENINNAH Chokire NGATEGIZE. Abenji omulimwe okayamba mama omulingo mingi ntubasima munonga. Mama akatukunda, mama akatukuza kirungi, akatwegesa emiswe mirungi. Nifuza kuguma nitukundana kandi nitukwataniisa na tata Koku atukulize webale munonga Mukama abalinde.
Thank you all for being here. Last January, Mom, we were here. We came for a short visit, between travel and plans and trying to make sure we can check our boxes and what we needed to do that time. And we had a little celebration. I don't know if it would be our last, but one memory that I have is when we were leaving, it was a 2-night trip here. We were getting ready to leave and Mom said, you know, you guys, this is your home, so I'm going to spend one more night in my home in Mary. So, Uncle Charles. Thank you so much for allowing her to have her visit yesterday. Her family too. So that all. I thank you all for being here. These numbers are overwhelming. Your presence, your support, we feel it. I know how much Mom loved her people. I mean, every moment she got to tell us about her friends, about the people she was supporting, the initiatives that she was interested in. She said it with so much love. I mean, seeing your presence, I guess I just didn't know how much her commitment was. So I thank you all for being here. I do know one thing for sure is her heart spewed into a lot of her friends and family. And like I said, I believe it was Friday, and I'll say that today, she loved some of you so much that you in turn loved us. And we truly became angels here on earth. And supporting us, checking in on us. This was mentioned in the last speech, how she was a glue to so many groups, organizations, families. You always knew you were getting a text from her, a check-in text, a hello text. She never forgot, and I don't know how she kept track. I don't think she had one big heart. I think she had multiple hearts to be able to care for as many people as she did in the way that she did. So I thank you all for being here. I thank you all for mourning with us. I thank you all for celebrating this life with us. And Mom, rest well, and I love you.
Thank you all for coming. Mommy was a mom to us, but she was a mom to very many people. She taught us so many things. One of the many things that Mommy taught me was to always pray to God. It's because of that. It's because of her that I am who I am today. And because I'm able that I can make you proud. Mommy was very hardworking and very disciplined. She loved us all. I really don't have words to say. Without you, Mommy, but I know you're dancing with the angels. You'll forever be in my heart. I love you, Mommy. Sleep well.
Yeah, we are sorry, but that's what it is. As an issue, we don't want to yarira and go kuba now relieved. So, we should start taking this. Don't do music and go for a gara, or tagu mega, it took because that's what it is. Twaza kushaba Dr. NGATEGIZE kugira ngo yarangane wimuke ugambe amukuru wawe Dr. NGATEGIZE. Guai na wenye mwaza tugambe mwini best man weye. He is still doing his work like a best man.
Mungishize tandike muri kigo best man net ingaragu yanjye uraruga Kenya abigire Kenya ijeriho akisha aravuga ari na nephew weye Alex ayemerere yarya heru izire babiri batujoyininga turaza kushoma Kampala Charles Rwanda kamanyagwa rukundo rwenda kinana nemwe muziraza kuganiraho kake kandi mu kwezi 12 twamutayayira ine mbago weye twaza kurambura Tanzania Serengeti na Ngorongoro Kureta this called the Charity Marakundi Mugara Munibya tourism so munyikirize agireri yagamba Archbishop yanyikirize mukasheshe atiye tondo mare Right Honorable Prime Minister ari itumuka na hachache ari hano so windele rokweruka munyikirize eko.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. God is good, and all the time. I bring you greetings from Nairobi. I bring you greetings from the rest of the world, of the ones that are not able to be here. I am deeply honored to be part of this. I am so impressed with the community, the networks, the togetherness that is continuing to lack in much of the world today. The last time I was here in Kabale was the 1st of January 2000. Peter was still building that house there. It was still half built, we couldn't sleep in it. When the year was turning from the last century to this century, we were in Kabale with my family, with PENINNAH. I'm going to keep it short. In September 1981, I arrived at Michigan State University in the US, at East Lansing. A very lonely place. 2 weeks into my stay, somebody called me and told me that he was coming for me to take me to a party. This gentleman to my right here, a man with a beard, took me in his big car to a party where Africans were gathering. And we have been through so much since that time. One time he discovered a girl who at the time was in Washington, D.C. and told me he had found a very good girl from home, a very special girl. I think he needed, he didn't say it, but I think he needed my opinion on what I think of her. Meeting PENINNAH for the first time, she touched me in such a special way. I mean, looking at that smile on that picture, looking at the man and the heart he has, what better couple would have come together at the time. I knew Peter as a great man, and then he went a step further. He brought me Ugandanness, he brought me beauty, he brought me a friend, a very special friend of mine, who I had to be here. The day Peter called me in an afternoon on Tuesday, I got very angry. I started crying. First I thought maybe the doctors didn't know what they were doing. How can PENINNAH be gone? in our own way, Zona Shirag, our spirits told me, go out there. It is going to be a difficult few weeks. Be with this family of mine. I trust you can do it. Go and do your best. And that's why I'm here. I had to come. Last year when Charles lost his wife and his mother a few weeks later, we had just lost a very good friend of ours in the family to COVID. And at that time, gatherings were very small, and the funeral was in Kenya, but I couldn't go because we needed to keep the group, the family group small and so on. So I'm here with all those feelings, and it's not an easy time. The best thing happened. Peter and I talked after Charles' marriage. People, we talk, we said it cannot continue to be like this. We have to meet. We have to be together. I started organizing a party, a Thanksgiving party in my compound on December 23rd last year. And Peter and family had to come. For some reasons, the children were not able to come. But we went out to Serengeti, like Peter mentioned, and we had a wonderful, wonderful time. I noticed that my children really enjoyed Peter's company because Peter had become a philosopher. Peter has so much to offer. It takes me to the things he has written in that memorial book and what he is telling us. Peninnah may be gone, but we will also go very soon and someday. We left Serengeti with a lot of plans with Peninnah. Just 2 weeks ago, I sent her pictures where I was planting potato with machinery in Kenya. A statement will never be erased from my phone. The statement was, when will these machines ever get here in Kabale? I think we have to see what to do about that. Until I came here, I didn't know that NGATEGIZEs are actually an empire. They have done so much. They belong to so many networks. They are changing the world. And this is what we all need to carry away from all this. I would like to talk to the children. Children, your father and I have got PhDs. I have learned of late that you can actually get a very cheap PhD yourselves, the people gathered here. You don't have to go to school and toil with all the academics. I've come to learn a PhD is about learning something from every happening. Whatever happens, listen to the situation. Listen to the person in front of you, no matter who they are. Sometimes children even take us for granted as parents. They listen to others more than impressed with the Catholic Church in Uganda. I saw the gathering in Kampala. I'm so impressed with the togetherness you have. This is not everywhere in the world today, not even in the same Catholic Church. Please keep that up. We need to live with our imperfections. Patience especially. Patience is a girl who is born in Nairobi, is a patient with a bedroom in our house, is a girl with a bedroom in our house. She is feeling very guilty that maybe it is after she left to go to UK, after even refusing to go for undergraduate education to be with her mother, she feels like maybe she could have done better by being around her mother that last 1 year or so. Patience and the rest of the children. Life is about imperfections, and we have to learn that we are not perfect. Nothing is perfect. That's what I learned in Kampala. We have to take every situation, and whoever is in front of us, even if it's a beggar on the street, ask yourself, what am I going to learn from this situation and from this person? What are you going to learn from this happening of God taking away our mother, our sister, our friend, our everything? Last year, we celebrated 30 years with my wife for my 30th anniversary. I was so glad Peter and PENINNAH were there. It was a celebration of gratitude. Please, ladies and gentlemen, we need to celebrate more and celebrating with gratitude of what has come our way. The youth that are here, PENINNAH had committed her life to yourselves, but please carry away the message that none of us is perfect. We are going to live through imperfections. We are so busy, we are on WhatsApp, we cannot even talk to each other anymore, but that is part of life, and we are going to, even with those imperfections, try to make the best. Let's learn from this family and what they are doing for everyone else and the community, so that we can live on. I'll be there for you, and we will do our best together. Every time that PENINNAH had me being referred to as the best man in our family, she always, in her own soft way, added something. She always said, every time somebody said, this was my best man, she would softly and in her own voice, as you all know it, she would say, and he was the best, and he is the best. I'm going to live to that. I'm not perfect, but I'm going to continue to believe that I'm the best. And I would like to ask all of you that in PENINNAH, continue to be your best. Thank you very much.
Can you be a best man still and hold this microphone? Thank you very much. Everybody should do his job and do it well. And so I think I ask Pastor Kambudo to do his job. I will, as I've said, try to say what I can in the time we have. But for these things that you don't get a chance to say many times, or often or have an audience like this, bear with me. I think say I'm overwhelmed is an understatement. The kind of people we have had, the kind of support we have had, is overwhelming. So in PENINNAH's death, a lot has been revealed to me and the family. A bit of talking about these kids. Nala, the other side, we always refer to her as the first lady. And that hair is not that it is white, it's a branding, don't worry about it. Brian, of course, is the only son, so that doesn't have to be said. Alison is the favorite. I don't know whether it was by choice or we voted, I don't remember. And one time one of them wanted to take the name away, then she says, Daddy, I'm divine. Clap for her. She has accepted to cry, and that's beautiful. I'm the one who might have pressurized her to go to the masters at wherever now she's at Cardiff Metropolitan. But I just always said, patience, do the masters. And then she said, Daddy, it will come. I don't know whether you heard enough of her voice. It's like, Daddy, don't stress me. It will come at one time. And I'm glad to say that she's about to finish. As you heard in their speeches, basically, when they were being born, basically I was there in the hospitals, you know that. So we have had a bonding that not many fathers get. I won't go back to address His Grace and the Bishop and all that. A lot has been said, and our relationship, there is a lot to it that I can't go through. And I'm not really going to go through, because I can say, for example, from one of them, when we were in these Shoroza things, he says, "What's Dr. NGATEGIZE? In some random document, why don't you buy it?" And then I was with the Gervas, the chairman of the Catholic Laity. We said, okay, we are going to do it. And we did. And so me and the Gervas, we have some 2 acres also in Lake Winoni, just like that. Thank you very much. In terms of families, the other day we wanted to do a fundraising for Muyumbu Church. Somebody may pass around a one-pager like this. This church, which I chair, the committee I chair, but I haven't chaired in a long time because I was busy, as you have heard, in above things, where we have been successful. And I'm not going to say that because Radio Maria has all the figures and facts. I'm told we need only 100 million to roof it. And the overwhelming support I've seen around here, I'm just telling you, this Muyumbu Church should be roofed this year. If you get to see what is remaining, is just iron sheets for roofing, not for finishing. And I know in my experience around to raise this money, whether through the bishop's programs or the Caritas programs or what have you. But for me, what I was thinking is for Muyumbu, for yourself family. Family ya Kataratambi, Jinea Constante, Jinea NGATEGIZE, Jinea, celebrating families, and possibly we'll have 100 families that can raise this 100 million. Tikwe wa Muyumbu, abataka tikwe, na leba tents zile. Abana ba Kampala na batamuga WhatsApp. Hariho families nenda agokwijuka PENINNAH mentioning here that played different roles in our marriage. I can't say much about them. If I mention name, if you are here, well and good. I will start with the family of Isaiah Bgesije. There are children here, and grandchildren, and what have you. You clap for them. In the growth of PENINNAH, through even Jinja, HRCM, Razakwe, America, that is the family. Family Ndijo, Emare, of course, near Chelsea, Oamure, Sri America, Yinabugain now. Nayo mugitere mungaro mwamabarebire. Indijo family ya Pascal Kambudo ujyananye mutere mungaro. Ayo family yabenji mutaramanya Professor John Kanene, a professor of epidemiology in Michigan State University. In October, Child Maka Mato. Harimo umucyara weye bambe mukama kamutwara nawe kari wo mucyara w'umugenzi great Matthias Ngobi, minister wa agriculture farm state. Indijo family, the family ya Frank Jamugisha, mwagihurire niyo abana barakira kumurira niyo baratunga guidance no mucyara weye Innocent. They are likely to be online watching through this, so we are very grateful. Another family, they are Professor Babugula, Alan Babugula. We have had also a long connection. Professor Kanene and Professor Alan Babugula, apart from okuija kwanje na PENINNAH, kuija kujuga, kugiraki, no kushaburusa the late Bishop Harerimana, kwikiriza marriage yaitu, abo babiri nibo nagenzire nabo kuri Grand Ohio, literally gukora another jugano wa Charles. Family ya Modi Mwerinde, umucyaro rasatiye ija tunamanya hino byaha, nibo bane babeitu Bukoto. It's important to mention it. And there is a Charles ya John Mbu, imabara manya company y'abantu bamwe ba Nairobi, abakiga bakare. Charles anene John Mbu Karanja and Bagaine company mu myaka ejo ogwe nawe niwe umucyara weye mbere y'Igatuludi Mbu niwe yazeire patience mu batisimu abo kuba twabagambira ngo patience we barazarirwa America akazarwa nabi twabigire ya Heru twabigire na Ethiopia yazarirwa Mpisha Hospital. As a family, I'm glad all this is being covered. Worth mentioning. Fast forward, I mentioned Dr. Budura Basaza, who represented Friends in Kampala, Grace Mwamureba, Jane Busasi, wari hano ayemerere mumuterere mu ngaro. Abirage omumbere nabasa kugira ngo agambire abanywanyi ba PENINNAH. Bwo kwabire obumbere kuna bumwire abira aracira kwijaka ndare baravuga na PENINNAH bumwe bari mu kacayi nari ka wine onka kuna agenzire nawe mu irwariro naranza yahirima nantarenda ngo hanuya ahiribeho. Jane, we are most grateful. Rona ahimbisiwe orakora mu Centenary Bank, she is here. Fiona ni mwijukuru wa Veronica, anti wa Burambirari wa Charles, kuri nanjye n'ubwire na wakasitore nawe maranza Maria ararira mu in history ubwo wantu wabo nawe ine kuyararira Charles mweja kumubona ubwira iza kwa kasitore ke. Umukorogu ukozigwe benji, and I really want to recognize Narcisio Rwambuga, chairman waba Chiristo wa Kampala, Robert bariho umwahurira aragamba, Davis bariho, Ferris, Pascal wa Kahanda, Dorini Kanyamate, Romi Sarihanu n'abandi abo representing. I just mentioned Minister of Finance, represented by Honorable Musasizi. Through you, Honorable Musasizi, to extend our appreciation for many things. The 22 years I spent in the Ministry of Finance, and I left at the time I chose to leave. Part of the reason I chose to leave was also to try it out in the private sector. And part of the private sector, naranze ruyenje yanje ayemiti asiyenjo alomwanya grabasa kwingamo fruits and vegetables across Makanga ayemiti wero ngane kufeva kugenda kwa PENINNAH at least in time ngane kuzarwero nayo mbere ndahinga yo miti ayo musigazi Thompson agaba urakore hoteli yaraza kuri leta hari mugeri ya miti arashira ku maza akarashira zo kuboneza imbuto zanje zo mu miti yanje makanga nokwe. You are most graceful. So honorable Musasizi, you have a heavy message to send. Abuka waranza tutungire messages nyingi. I hope PSD you imbere ndahedinga, then have a private sector development program, a program ya NDP, then have all different commissioners, EDPR and NC, and I am very grateful for that. I hope I've spent a little bit of time and energy, both with PENINNAH, both in Kabale and abroad. One of the clusters we have worked on is the Kigezi Tourism Cluster Platform that has entities including Kabale University, a number of individuals, some of whom are here. I won't attempt to mention them. The only way I'm proud about it is that when I'm talking to anybody in Kampala or anywhere, the unique cluster, if we need 10 million shillings or 20, there are people you can call, shared by even Bataruma or Palite or Selfas or what. Kabale University, Joy Kwesiga, and group, and Christine, and what have you, that we can say, we do it, yes, we do this. Let's say about Kampala, or let's invite minister in Kabale, and make sure that our cluster is run. Cooperative Alliance, PENINNAH worked there, and you just leave it at that. KKCR, Yagamba Umunonga, Timber Growers, Nainga Miti, Kande Dinga and Renji, Naro, Nkakorayo. Before going to finance, I was the first director of the Coffee Research Center, and PENINNAH has been at the Kachweka Nozali leadership. UWIR, URA, PENINNAH ya Kozire, Atakahumire, and I think I will slow down and make sure I don't forget the Uganda Funeral Services, Nabati and Kampala. I have been a professor also in Baltimore, in Makerere University, and where so at times you take a little bit longer. Abana abu PENINNAH nanye nka family tuherere Fizi nari tuyambire mwijana mainly our school fees, and these category I think of what youth mwijana jwa mwemerere hanuye tindaza kugamba benshi tindaza kubagamba one by one, but I want to say them yawara tuingire Fizi kurugaritwe so that we are kwise baragamba muturageza at least nka family kuyamba muranze evidence hanuya tindaza kugamba binji, but I will only say when the latest entrant into the family is here. There is profit. No, I release the family. She's a bright girl. We are tired. She's the type when you go to the dining at Uncle. Then you say profit zakuja wejironjende ati nyoino yenda ngenyeka ngokulinzire. So we had said, you know, Ogunagumaha, and partly because of our belief, or my belief in the power of the mind. At times we don't live our potential because our minds lose opportunity to vibrate to their highest levels. because we have maintained the situation of mwana wanje zakwega wabikwato kasinga warije kutunga umurimo wakuraje bakwiye promotion ngira kasento shere ngira abana batunge fees wakuru turege pension ugeni. Very often we lose the opportunity kugira ngo mwana okure oyege uranze environment yawe ngeji kigezi yite ibrand ya gamba hununji umanyongo basa no kwere niti umanyongo harimo minerals umanyongo hasi hariho kirere abasa gukora ceramics umanyongo harubajwe n'abantu bariruka babase kuba ba protege ubaranze abantu babasa kweshongora abasa kwebigani abasa kugamba history yitu etc. So part of what we have been doing, and Wamama Child is the Leadership Academy in Agambiro 2018. The process is already on. Our is buildings in India, available for the academy, Ugundi, the fruits of the Leadership Academy, Zravasa Kurabaho, Utaziri. So abamubantere jambo mubanyangarize mubantere mungaro ogueto antuwe abirarei kutera za shiboko in language ati natekwa kwa speech twagira muno lieutenant mugoha tayobwa penina abira muyambire aboka kaba identified ko mwirushi yaza za Rwanda yaza Kenya yaza Nkahe tumukorera na passport yo kuza China urasha covid yazaho hatabire hariyo opportunity arabasa kuza kuba America abra skill yeye yo kwiruka abantu kamero ko bari abantu barangeza cyo nagira ngo good leader mena nabaza umwe bari munonga batere mu ngaro mugende. Tungire messages nyingi Her Excellency Specioza Kazibwe azinga Gambia anterere nka kabiri yanyohereza na za juice z'abana kuriya. She always calls me her chairman because of her association with the Kigezi community. Munini Murera, we have had telephone conversations. Mkemirundi Shatu, he gets interest in. Umwami Shaka Sari, our Voice of America, akanterera na wakasimu. Name benji abajyaha ababiri introduced. Tinaza kuba mentioning by names because I will get in trouble. The Funeral Services Organization Committee NYABUSHABI, of course I recognize you. Bamwe na umere ndacharinga mu BAF ba Alexi ba Odos babiri chairman wa Leite and my nephews Dr. Yabare ba Dr. Gaba ba Uguwaba Gambira Hilare in Shomero Gayaza, one of the people nawe wina nakustraguinga nawe Raruga Muyebe nawe nababe irayizire arazo wa Hilare Jande Mana Gambira Hilare nawakore byarabase abo kubana we akakurira mu komu so mugashina bazeire aramanya what help could be. Ni kweza umukakabomu ndeyire munyowe quotations yo kubanza page yo munda ndaza kugishoma ndetse muraza barakabone batarakabone mwakunda turija kumintingo gundi ne yahamuhero kunkawa hirgo karanza no mu bishishani achali cyane na nishewa penina hariho Charles na family yeye akara kukamuza yagamba kakari kace karungi kakakari mu family omwe Derek akwasirwe Chelsea, Maria akwasirwe Joy ari hagati ya nyina nenshi umuyanye bo ari inyuma Joy atakaze. So that's how far it goes. Ebindi muravuga na Mupaska, muravuga nachi, and I won't say much about this. Kama gambire kache akufa kwa Penina nantebirwe nokuturaze kumwira. Ubwakana abandi babagambire ngo Penina atwerubwire ile challenge y'amaguru kandi na Grace yagambaho ukwerarikira kweye abwago maguru. So finally, at least the experience ine hubisho urwakana ibirasha tunashimwe March kazamu irwari nyowe Penina Najib bakora the necessary preparations for the operation on Monday 4th April. Wataha sandina wankasiba mu meeting hano yabita mesho menji muraranza ho Uganda Funeral Services muraranza ho no bundi buntu bwa SPOBA Funeral Services. SPOBA is St. Paul's Old Boys Association Funeral Services. So Saturday tukasiba turi mu AGM turabiridinga another service ndeja kubera kompitinga n'izindi ahubwo kuba turabiridinga waisaka imyaka 5 seminari itandikire rusozi hari again tunaza kuza mu history ahubwo bwire. And we thought that there are many things we are starting to do, building on the social capital. Eniche, Enejesa, Nenchi, that background. Kokuna Ijeram social capital ina ranzahe rizowa, turazakora church faster than I thought. Nejo Funeral Services in Kwebile, Neratandi. So Saturday, Jonabisiwamu. Sunday around noon 1, again to Eugene, now to report to hospital at Kalkosu Comprehensive Rehabilitation Center. Wazayo, na ngoba wanzawaje mjini mwanzuma kora hali COVID test, was a St. Mary, St. Kisuri Hospital. We did that, came, handed them in. Then I checked in room 4, private wing. I went home. I was there, see the government, I go to Kutorunji, Kadis Expressway. Because now look at our Njiranti, the expressway, within 20-30 minutes home. Twabara shira kuzejo side no kuzentebe imubwiro bubiro uratora 3 hours preparation to go to Entebbe. Imperera government na umena injira getoba kafara gitana bonaga mbomugisha kingatejiza tunakobisha barendera kora twonko kanga kuza mu politics. So, government, so at least I've had a privilege to work close to it. So, Nagarukayo, Monday was the operation. I went there late in the afternoon. I was in the theater, ndaranseho kuna abase so rori ibo kureba umutirarwa mu theater yaza murate University recovery point before kumihayo kumuta back to the room. So time came, they made their Penina out. called us near, we wheeled the bed, and we were involved in shifting her to the bed, and we wheeled it to the roof. As I stand up, they were advising her to have a cup of tea, and then twaheza twagireki dina yija na ebintu byokurya of course ninya nabirire because akaratekwa kurya buke kugatandika kuba mu mwebazo. I had to move on. Science inchi zari bihuri munonga binatandikire 1970 St. Paul Seminary konkanye kiro rotarenga ngo amashanyarazi gakuterega n'ikandi bikaba. So I went, though it was already late. Following day, I almost went to my trees again, but I stayed around. I got Zwir. Kunga kunandaza kurya lunch ari Kampala club, naweza kugira meeting with somebody at Serena. Jini yatandika kuitera. At first ango ijano antu na kwenda. Apparently what happened the following day, which is Tuesday 5th, BAKIGA bakora bandaging, bakora physiotherapy. So then baenda bakora exercise. So yaruga hachitana. And remember, yamazire nkesha hishatu no kongeramo mu theater ari hachitanda literally hachitani hamwe. So kubahirize bibaza kumutaha ka walker, if I can use that word. Nigeria tambura honka step menari ibiri yabuga man. Maybe akazengerera, I don't know how to describe that. So it needed to come back. Surprisingly, talking to somebody else, Muharawa Banjirana, Ishewa, one of our ministers from Serambure, Minister of Health, Wakashanja, apparently was in the opposite room. So apparently she saw what was happening. She was in good spirits, but as all that kind of failure or reversal. So one thing led to another. Doctors came in, did what they could do, wheeled her back to the ICU. The last I get from Jean here is checking the critical areas, kidneys, umutima, enchi, around the heart or lungs, system like a problem, and in a short while they noticed that she had a clot. So, Obio Eugene Adam Taylor is from that room, then Vamutwara, then. So then I was able to continue driving. I was driving myself. I'm retired, I have no privileges anymore. So called a friend of hers, Jane Busasi, we met her long ago. Busasi working in New York. Those many years, I remember the first time the president came to Washington. It's one of the times I met the husband. And another young girl who lives with us, Adrian Sunday, to Afghanabo. In the meantime, I was alerting Charles I was alerting Havana because we were constant. You know, this WhatsApp, you can call and talk to somebody, Ramuleva, but Naza Krikayo, my spirit was already dampened. And I noticed crossing as Penina was being wheeled to the mortuary. So, when we ended up in speeches, somebody said, you know, you should talk more about your life in Penina and all that. But another advisor told me, said, NGATEGIZE, keep away from emotional things that will break you down. So when I gave Jaga Wabjona Mchina Manyako Nai na Penina, Magandire Kuijero, Leyendi Mugezo Mondizeye, Nahe, into Intenchezi to Zirimuri Muyebe. One of the few times we would visit there together. Nali Magandire, Muterize Kweta, some infrastructure developer, Joel, Aita, Jaffa, from Arua, Joada Consult. You can Google those who Google. And we were up here. We went to Makanga there to learn how best we can develop because in experience. When we were together, we had a drink, lunch at Zitkuza, opposite Surfacing, with people like the mayor and the Nels Trendera, now Cavalry University, and the Felixes, and the bikers, my neighbors. So let me believe that you have had a bit of that. If you don't know that I can love or show love, I think you may have problems. So how are we going to remember Penina? I think part of it, as I said, is to continue doing these things. I'm a friend of Rotarians, but I'm not yet inducted. But serving beyond self. Serving beyond self, doing things that give meaning. And right now, in my government, I know chairman is the handler of the district. I have driven around with the chairman, Baba Baba, Tata Tata, Tayogo Yogo, and all those good things. I talked to our MB and the councillors for Chanamira. This parish model, I want to reveal my discussions with government when I was serving. Konkanisha Karanza parish model, because NYABUSHABI is a parish, Muyumbi is a parish, Nyakaja is a parish. Nwenda kura, kama twine chimwe chemoga, harika buraha, kandi chichari. Chanamira is a walking distance here, a sub-county. I think it has 7 parishes. And umenda wakanda advising nti wezi za parishes ziteina maofisi, ziteileza nankani kandi haro network of weather circles, nari twatuhingaga za cabbage, vegetables n'ebindi. It might be interesting kumanya ngo model ngeja wait kunuya need to be modified to reflect ibira fahanu. And I'm not going to say more than that, I will get out. But I have had a privilege to talk about Israel. Tuna manya kisi kwa mahali yaha, naru mchara odo, nali charisi jamugisha, wakola seedlings, Michel Sorie, very good. I don't know Michara wa apples, Muleke Bunyonyi, what time to require value addition. So what I want to encourage the government is Kumamuro and Jeramu, Kuranzangu, the local communities, Nazazi home education. And I know to communicate from Kampala to the whole country is difficult, but you can send the right message and get around flexibility down there. And if you have doubts, the reason I came to Minister of Finance was to design a plan for modernization of agriculture. My first presidential handshake was when I went to Whitehall scene, where Idi Amin had seen of Saidi Barre, and I freely stood in front of his bench, and in a short time, he came with his generals and what, and when he was saying farewell, he also shook hands with me. That was the first one. The second one is when Clinton came and they received him at Kisowera, when I was director of the Coffee Research Center in Chituza, and also had the chance to shake those. The third presidential handshake, because of Undi Ndamugana Konka or Arabioti, was when we were launching these things via PMA, Zangwero, 2004, and Mkama wa Ngekisi, Mkakabari Mumu Murebe, Achiraga Kuija, Kuzika Mawe, Nari Kurebe Mindakora. And we had an opportunity also, to sit in the president seat, and there is a reason of something that happened, and we got a shaking that was more of a joke. Basically, there was something that had become fun around there. So, Karamu Yahono Mukono Nenshi, is a Romana and then as a Rim Nati, you have to another handshake. So, behind each we need to only see how to operationalize them for the benefit of the people, on understanding the circumstances of the people. So, Brian was registering NGATEGIZE Family Foundation, Abatunga bwa t-shirts, bateireho family, but the NGATEGIZE it's a family foundation. It is already registered in Rhode Island. NGATEGIZE Leadership Academy. Ahiguraha, aitwa ichizeho, ikazira ikankama 30, konka turaza kuyahoya nyina nari 5, nari 10, depending on needs. Twatangije gukora za survey. We will continue, and as I've said, we will continue through these efforts. The family with Penny. Havana Addison the other day, favorite says, Daddy, don't hurry it, we shall see and perfect it. Narenza aha, nabana teganisa imwena, abatwere kitinisa, abatwere obuyambi, abatwere support, abatwere opportunity kugamba nebe binagamba. Hajira ateyiro bunagamba, inkomaro kwisendale bahari idis. Watara mwenye PENINNAH free, NGATEGIZE na kulevi. Kuna mwenye duiti disi ndora mwenye kwise tuli mugini. Ino ndijo unakora nawe project ya Rubirizi. This morning Dr. NGATEGIZE will have to meet this week to continue discussions. The only thing I did to her was send the program of what's going on. So, apparently you think everybody has known, but not everybody has known. So, I thank you very much. I thank you. We celebrate PENINNAH's life. The time he has had, BAKIGA High School, and Vijay Katigo Andro, Vilo Unamazreo, Kungaka mureba kushakandi muhaya ndatera umupira bakankoraho na deputy head prefect in Kigezi High School. Kunga twavugana wa Chelsea, and the rest, as they say, is history. I thank you very much. I honor you. I celebrate you. Mwebali mnono. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Doctor. We are remaining with only one speech. We have a government. Dr. NGATEGIZE, you need to know that today our Honorable Mrs. Laura Katwesiji, Emeritus Bishop, Mushara Jaha, to welcoming. Thank you for being here. We recognize your presence. We recognize the presence of Reverend Norman Twachire is there. Of Reverend Anyongere Amos is here. Of Reverend Canon Gasta Basheija. Reverend Professor M.J.K. Muranga Omuzigaba Webale. Reverend Canon Professor Medad Rugendo. Venerable Ernest Nkwasible. Reverend Francis Twebaze. Reverend Wilson Twine. Thank you for blessing this function. Also, I want to recognize the presence of the Mayor, Kawale Municipality, Mayor Central Byamugisha, Aryaha, Konkani walidingire catering, Menwa Mutamiro Roman Munyango Arimu, na mbere ya marakuba programu okutwena turaki. Ngenu mugire obusingi. I will have a message a condolence message to Professor Charles Kwesiga from Uganda National Council for Science and Technology of 1 million. I think they will give it to you later, and the message we are going to give it to you to read it fully. There is also a message from St. Paul's Secondary School, Uchinda, to NGATEGIZE family, and it is here with a condolence message of 100,000. And the headmaster is here. The vehicle number UAS 620W special. It is parked in the school compound, and you are needed by this man here. Before you go with another person, because I don't want to move with another person. So now, Nimanya Arho government representatives Vinjapa, and the Nani Shaba about Kuria Baria Arengova LC3, Nena Memory to Bater Rumunga. Abaria Rengova LC3, Memory to Bater Rumunga. The Naratia person were LC3, the China Mera Handi, Mwebale, Ninjana Vakasa, Jban, Gwena Waimere. Abukono Manya, Amikono Keji, Nibu Gamba, Kukeza Tabakaina Gamba. Abali Arengova Vacanceras, LC5, Mwemerere, Konkachia Manovali Chekwemerena. Abaria Rengova LC5 Canceras, Memereme, that were coming. Mwebale, Nimanyani Murukshira Kugamba, but today we are sorry we may not talk. Abaria Rengova LC2 Mena, Mwemerere, Arengova LC2. Nimanya Bajaha, Mwebale, Navaleva. Abali arungurwa LC1 Mwena Mwemerere Mwebale Munonga Mwebale Limbaleba. And at this juncture, NYABUSHABI Honorable Minister, State Minister of Finance, Honorable Musasi. Niba uramanye uku abo bantu arabajwangure abasigarayo ba members ba parliament n'abandi bono niba uramukora kikore rero kugira ngo kikore vuba umuntu akiga ngikumi tugiye byo kugira ngo kuba byafukiye Honorable Minister niba uramukora kikore cyo cyasigarayo nigira noza kora watwimuriza na Prime Minister kugira ngo agambe pati twakisigiye. Thank you. It's good, it's conservative. Yes. We don't know concerning we go a parliament, we cover conservative and we don't go to Chibudas. Professor Alio Alex Nawarjaha, we will Pija, and Gani Manajaha, can stand up for a composition. Thank you. Alex, give him the microphones.
Yango take one. Yagala mukuba sasa.
Your Grace, the Archbishop of Marara Archdiocese, my Lord Bishop Karistu Baramira, Bishop of Kabale Diocese, n'abasasaradoti, mwena baryaha, n'abanyadini, Dr. Peter NGATEGIZE, n'abeka yanyubona, Professor Charles Kwesiga, n'abanyabuzare bawe, n'abantu bona, abuija nabo kuruga muyebe. Right Honorable Prime Minister Emeritus Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda and senior citizen Umuyanga Yiteri and member of Central Executive Committee of the National Resistance Movement. Abebembezi bagenzi banje abanyishengero abaryaha ba LC5 chairpersons abaryaha Nelson Changabashija wa Kabale district kandi hamwe na chairman Kasaba Steven wa Rwanda uba batakanjire yemerera Steven bakwakire twine abebembezi bitu bakuru mu kibina cy'itu cya movement. Umwami Kanagizi chairman wa movement wa Karo kandi presidential advisor. Ni wanahobora president mujya Kigezi yona kandi na chairman wa movement Apollo Nyagamehe wa Rukiga. Ubwo ni mugenzi wanje ndakurira rubanda akurira Rukiga kandi turakundana. Nasiriri Mugenyi chairman w'abashubuzi bona ba movement abwa Rubanda district. Abantu mwena okumwija eshonda neshonda ujyo mwena mustinde sachi erizoba nyine emirimo ebiri. Echo kubanza lenda kugamba mu izina rya ministry eyinda kora mu bwahati Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development NGATEGIZE until end of December was one of our staff. Kandi ndenda kushobora kugamba nga munywani wa Peter n'umucyara we Penina kandi n'ogundi mulimo ogwo kwakira the right honorable prime minister okuhendera orubazo rwa government kongada kakikozere munyikirize mbanze nyete honorable Nwagaba member wa parliament w'ekicweka kya Norwa East abanze anyakire mu constituency ye officially. Ish hano Nwagaba araza kwanzira aba MPs abaryaha and also former members of parliament who are here with us.
Mwenu ntaka mwakira official kama nzema manyise ogwakari political assistant wanje ndikuzo mu politics ngumi 2006 mwenu ni mutabana wanje mu politics kandi ati ni minister. My lord the archbishop, your lordship the bishop, the prime minister emeritus, honorable minister, my colleagues members of parliament. Okwanje kama nzenye tiba members of parliament bona barigara including the UPDF representative since I'm now the most senior. Mbanjure runa mara kuanjura ishabe woman member of parliament ahereza message yetu on all our behalf irumbo ne kweta honorable minister kwija akaba addressing. So members of parliament mwena mwije current wo kujara mubwire buke konka muri kwija vika general ninjira ni oshomere joro ratini memento mori memento vivere twinde kwijuka ngo turyafa kandi tumanya ngo turyafa twinde kuba abahurire Penina we bari kubahurire we bari gukora ibyokozere mukama kwekira umuro kirungi mwenu MPs abonye naha Moses Kamuntu ahabwa Rwanda West nakira ngo mbahinze ndarobe yanjure tiba kamara wa MPs nimbamanya we bari munonga kwija kutuzikira omucyara prose akampurira obunumukamo mu parliament ni commissioner ni wari kumanyije umushara guturukutunga ahabwa umane mupi ahabwa Rwanda omucyara Kamusime Caroline umane mupi ahabwa Rukiga impanga rento kandi witu ahabwa kabare ukamumuzindaro ahina ka message.
Honorable, my Lord Bishop and the Archbishop, Right Honorable Emeritus Dr. Hakana, Minister Honorable Musasizi, colleagues and fellow mourners. Ndi Catherine Ndamira atwakire member wa parliament wa Kabale district kandi nko kumwahurira ndi whipu wa Kigezi umwenaremu kandi turi hanuya ni celebrating a life ya Penina ubira linka drip yetu politicians at least urya hano tariho aramanya ekaya Penina na Dr. Ngategize ekibari kumanyisa mu politics. Penina ati tutungire bwire bwo kusimo cyahurire tube tucakurebo kinamani konka Dr. Ngategize yikiriza tukusime nka politicians hago kuba ubu mubasize kutuberaho umuri byona. Penina has been an icon behind the transformation and revamping the fertility of our soils that has lost fertility here. Our soils had gone, and PENINNAH had begun them to carry the mantle of revamping the fertility for each household, at least to yield so much, if not to take in the market, but at least to have something on the table. PENINNAH, we shall miss you for that. Kandi ndashaba abakazi abaryaha, abashije abaryaha, mureke twikirizane, tumanye ngo PENINNAH yayatandikire, turiho ninga turibaho, twakorana amane tukagaruza ubuhangwa bw'itaka ryitu rikashuba rikatandika kutwereza. PENINNAH biratwinemo umurimo ubwo kugira ngo tuhinge ebirarahuka kwera, kugira ngo tubase kutwara mu katare, twongere no kubona ibyo kurisa abana bitu. PENINNAH nituje kwijuka no gorabe wagenzire. Nenda kusima aba members ba parliament abejo kwinamira no kusibura izo barya muhero abarya mwabahurira, so twashara mungu neitwe ka members ba parliament abaryaha abantu bararare hanuya tubase kubarondera kibararye nekibaranywe ahabwo kugira ngo PENINNAH abase kushendekerezibwa. Twazirundana twazitomurye bahasa, kandi on a special note kureba David Bahati nawe temerera hano yitwe physically yatweherereza miliyoni nayo twagitomu Dr. Nabarije kuraraha mujakire n'engaro. Twenda kwendera turi kwendeza PENINNAH amagara marungi go mu iguru, kandi tukuraganise ngecyo bire watandikire n'engecyo bire nenda kutandika itwe nk'abakazi tuje gukomezamo tubase okucyongera amani. Uramanya tubire twatandikire PEGA project kugira ngo tubone manyuwa tugaruso rwezo mu itaka. Mwe n'abaryaha mureke twongeremo amani tubase kongera rwezo mu itaka, tuhinje tutunge ibyo kurya byo kurisa abantu bitu. Mukama barinde abahereza umusha kandi rukunde guma kumwe bare mnongo.
Ebigambo ebyo kantu wari umugishogu ubwo kweta muto wanje Minister of State for Finance in charge of general duties, kandi sima abanyarwanda mwe bari kutumusigaza akagaruka akarya ngoma kandi ari kutukorera kurungi murongo nganye na kasiri n'abarya abatsirira karuru mwe bari mununga katucumita. So honorable minister, bisha ohereze urubazo rwawe kandi niwe urakore ubona mu byo kuba wakandi kuri cyaweruka.
Webale mkuru wanje honorable Wilfred Nwagaba ngenu ngo kunanagambire nyine mirimo eshatu yo gukora. Cyo kubanza naje kusasira Dr. Peter Ngategize nabeye hamwe na Charles Kwesiga habwo kufegwa omukazi waye Peter Ngategize kandi na Kwesiga habwo kufegwa munyanya. Mu mwaka wa 2005 ariho namara kwandika ibizamu byanjye bya muhero Makerere University, honorable Shemu Bagaine akanyeta muri Kampala mutuze kwehindura mu mwebazo. Twaza hamwanya kariho akabaraka kakari ha President Towers kutwahika sakanjire twabukana Dr. Peter Ngategize, I think na Professor Charles Kwesiga twagira omwebazo murungi kurugobwe nija namanya Dr. Peter NGATEGIZE and Professor Charles Kwesi. Later on, on Christmas of that same year 2005, najogubwire niwagabo kawali fraga bera twatwamazire obwa primaries kandi nishewa Professor Charles Kwesi gakaba cyariho. Professor Kwesi invited us at his home for a Christmas celebration. Nashangayo Peter NGATEGIZE ayijine umukazi we PENINNAH kandi obwe nkanjire yo kujwekera honorable Niwagaba watunga eshonga yakanya bwanyu ngeno kurugobwe namanya PENINNAH namanya NGATEGIZE twagira umukago gwa basa. Later on in 2012, when I started my accounting practice, nkaza kupangisa muchombeko cha Yuwiru Harumumba Avenue, and PENINNAH NGATEGIZE became my landlord. Awokubakawali, she was in the board, I think, and one of the owners of Uganda Women Entrepreneurs Limited. Twamanyana munonga habwecho, then twatandikana engagements ko kumwabulira akabali active, actually active on bintu bya international community of NYABUSHABI. My last engagement with her, as I will later on read in our speech from our ministry, Obu Dr. NGATEGIZE twatura musibura as Minister of Finance. PENINNAH NGATEGIZE akanshaba appointment yo kugira ngo ayijandebe turebe okutwakora project yo mu technical schools ezi international community of NYABUSHABI yahereze districts eziri mu Kigezi yitu Munoya kandi akarenda na Munonga ngo ndebo kuna muyamba kugira ngo abarubanda babasa kutambuza speed ejo project eyabira ine mumani ngeno nkomuntu nashasha Munonga yakushasha niwe Peter shashe niwe Charles Kwesi n'abandi mwena abarakwata hari PENINNAH abo kufegwa PENINNAH kandi Dr. NGATEGIZE nkozire nawe emirimo mingi. Before I joined the Ministry of Finance, I worked on a number of activities zitu za Kawale Diocese as a